Okay. These are residents of Kawama West, a pre-urban area in Mufura district on the Copper Belt province. These residents now feel that they've been neglected by the government because their continuous cry for development in the area seem not to receive a positive response. For years, residents in this area have been calling on the local authority of Mufura to work on the feeder roads that are in a deplorable state, but nothing has been done. According to the residents, it becomes a challenge for them to move in and out of the area during the rain season, owing to the bad state of the roads. We are only asking the council to work on these roads so that even vehicles can be passing through. Vehicles fail to pass because the road is bad. We only use these roads in dry season, not in the rain season. This road is dilapidated, so during the rain season, vehicles fail to pass because there are a lot of mud. We suffer a lot. Water even flows into our yards. We are only asking for the roads to be worked on. Jennifer Mwanza has lived in Kawama West for over 50 years. This compound is too big, but there is no market, no shops for us to buy goods from, and the roads are bad. In the rain season, no vehicle comes here. The residents are now wondering why development is not reaching their end when the new UPND government has continued to increase the Constituent Development Fund (CDF), from which a bigger percentage is for community projects such as feeder roads. The government has again increased the Constituent Development Fund from 25.7 to 28.3 million kwacha in the 2023 national budget. Rogan Lavikang, Diamond News, Mufura, Copper Belt Province.